go to this, see this button, export. So you just click this, and there are now many different options on how you want to download this website as a whole, or you can just download the page. So first is the instant preview. When you click this, what happens is it will publish your page, and then it will show you, it will give you an instant preview of the website. Then there's this option in which you publish your site to your own domain. This is completely free of cost, and what you have to do is you have to point the CNAME of your website to our site, right? So what you will do is you will just put your CNAME. You will just let's say your site is example.com, so you'll say the www.example.com and CNAME to this site, and then when you open your own domain, you will see this web page. Okay, and then you have this option to download a zip file in which you will find all your pages and your styles and all the images, etc. This is a new option. This is particularly useful for me. So what this does is when I push this, this will push the HTML code to my GitHub repository. So basically I have these this setting in which whenever the code is pushed to my repository, it has a GitHub action which then deploys it to an S3 bucket. So this is a kind of an advanced option, but it's very useful if you know how to use GitHub. Okay, and this is a proofreading. This will export this page as a docx file, and then you can send it out to some proofreader, like if English isn't your native language, so you will just export this as a docx. Then you maybe go to Fiverr and you hire somebody for like $5. They'll proofread your document, and then you import your document back, and then it will show you that what are the misspellings or what changes you have to make to your web page, and then you can merge them accordingly. And this final option, this is a app like Dropbox which I have created. So what it does is once you install this app on your system, it will automatically sync the website on your hard drive. So whenever I make some changes, then I don't have to like export it and then extract it. It will automatically like sync it to the folder once I have created that website, and once I make any changes here, it will automatically update your hard drive with those new code.